Why do 2 billion popsicles get eaten every year? In 1905, 11-year-old Frank Epperson left a cup of soda with a stirring stick on his porch overnight. San Francisco had a record-breaking freeze that night. The temperature dropped to the lowest it had been in years. Next morning, Frank found his drink frozen solid with the stick standing straight up. He pulled it out and licked it. It was delicious. But here's the crazy part. Frank didn't do anything with it for 18 years. He just made them for his friends and called them Epsicles. Finally, in 1923, he patented it and renamed it the Popsicle. His kids started calling them Popsicles, and the name stuck, and the frozen empire was born. One forgotten drink. A frozen empire. We eat 2 billion popsicles a year now. What's your favorite flavor?